Okay, we're stepping just a little outside the usual home maintenance lane this week, but this tip still saves you money where it counts, which is at home. So, welcome to House Money. This is your Monday tip to help you save more and spend smarter as a homeowner. Okay, so buying in bulk, right? This can be a smart move if you do it wisely. Now, listen, the trick is to stick to non perishable and household essentials, right? We love Costco, we love BJ's, right? Things you'll actually use, though, right? These things won't go bad. They won't be things you forgot that you bought them when stuff like coffee, detergent, canned goods, paper towels go on sale. This is the green light to stock up, get these things, right? This isn't hoarding. Okay, this is locking in lower prices now so you don't have to pay more later, right? Just go to the bulk buying blueberries unless you're hosting a pie eating contest or doing something crazy, right? Buy what lasts, right? This is what you buy. You stack savings this way rather than spending a disproportionate amount of money on snacks and crackers and things you don't really need. Okay, so that's house money. We'll see you next Monday.